This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites: phone charged, screen unlocked, and quick access to settings. Once ready, open Settings and type Accessibility into the search field so you don't waste time. You're doing this because Realme mixes touch-disable options into accessibility or gesture menus. Finding the right entry speeds the process. Make sure to keep the phone steady and use one finger to tap precisely. Missed apps can open other menus and slow you down. Now tap Accessibility to continue. You're now inside Accessibility, and here's the core step. Locate interaction controls, touch options, or similar. Once found, enable the feature labeled Touch Lock, Touch Disable, or Assistive Ball depending on your Realme model. This is the only way to fully stop screen touch while keeping the display on. You do this to prevent accidental taps and to test while the device runs an app. After enabling, configure duration and start method so the lock engages only when you need it. Once configured, activate the touch lock via Assistive Ball or the Quick Settings tile. You should see touch input ignored except for the unlock gesture. You do this because it prevents accidental inputs without powering off the screen. To exit, perform the unlock gesture, enter your PIN, or reboot if the lock becomes unresponsive. If it doesn't work, make sure the OS is updated, clear settings cache, or, as a last resort, backup data and factory reset. These steps address deeper software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.